lifting is in lifting God up. And when God lifts you up, when you get to the top, you become a topic. When magnification ascends, His majesty descends. And when His majesty descends, Satan disappears. When you give Him the worship, He takes war out of your sheep. No why the Ekiti Yorubas call Him Oba Keikba Dobale Oba is the king that never bowed to any king. Oloro Oba Kiki Mole Kiki Ogo Kiki Akbara. Oloro Oba Konik Badi Akoko Lowo is the God that has time and seasons in His hand. The Bada Yorubas call Him Alagbadaino, the God that is clothed with fires of a garment. Alagbadaino, Obatoto Farati Bioke, the God we can rest on as on a mountain. Eledumare, Aladeura, Baba mi, Oloru mi, Oluwa mi, Agbára mi, Ọkàn mi, Olùbádámọ̀ràn mi, Bishop ọkàn mi, Olúwa àwọn Olúwa kábíyèsí o, Ọba tó gbé ògo kárí ògo is the God that piles up glory. The Igbos call Him Ọkà Ome, Omekanaya, Okemiri, Okosisi Neyetu is the mighty tree that never bow no matter the wind. Akone Shemba is the lion that never go to sleep. Oshimini Atata is the river that never runs dry. Eze Eze Pupe, Eze Amaruso, Otimbodombo, Otuaka Nerumba. How which I can describe this God? The Hausas call Him Sarikin Mutun Ajaina. That dunia is the king of mortality and of humanity. Sarikin Sarakuna, Sarikin Zamalajia, Ubengiji Madokeki is the God of praise. Ubengiji Megaskia is the God of mercy. Ubengiji Lokachi Terani is the God of time and of season. Who can help me to talk about this God? The back is also known as the Gwari call Him. Osu Una Aowieye is the king that reigns from generation to generation. Osu also is the king that is never proud, is the God that never disappoints. The Dumas call Him Owosoko Shedudu, is the God of all tribe, yet He have no tribal mark. Owosoka Abraham, Owosoko Jacob, Owosoka Israel, Oyelu Tusi, Oyeli Dango is the fearless God. O Iminyokmano Kenmongma, Adalo Adakewa is the hope to the hopeless, is the might to the mightless. How which I can describe this God? The thieves in pen will call Him. I won't do Hamazwashi, I won't do Achienchi, I won't do Yakubu, I won't do Abraham, I won't do Isaka. Is the God of Abraham, is the God of Isaac, is the God of Jacob. The Kogis call Him Olegbiti. Oto Akabale Kiasabale, Oto Ojeta Kimakatu is the God that carry body, yet He never gets tired. Oto Akbabanakbai Omamaya is the God of thunder and of storm. Oto Kiarikuta is the God that regulates time and season. How which I can describe this God? The Benis call Him Obukori. Atalakba Oge Judah, Obano Honkomo Boyakega, Obane Wuwikina, Obane Mugotonoma, Obuyi, Obitoa, Obemata, Obane Fede, Obane Hioma, Obane Hu, Osomanegide, Osomanegi Somagege, Omyomafa, Osanu Dazi, Udazi Menobo, who can help me to talk about this God? The Ishas call Oje no Noje. Ohe no Nohe is the Prince of Peace. Oyohonagbewoho is the king that can never be conquered in battle. The Esakos call Him Okenano Finafa Otohakaka Otohafo is the thunder that thunder both in dry season and the rainy season. Okenano Tofama is the God that has inexhaustible mercy. Okenano Moepakami is the divinity without impurity. How which I can describe this God? The equalist call Him Shokoje Titenakuarimiri. Is the God that fetches water with basket, yet there is no leakage. You connect to some one marrow, you connect to some bobo marrow. The God that does not laugh at the reproach of His people. You kwamo maremo. The God that covers my shame. You go kenesho some marikbe. The God to whom all shall be accountable. The Shekir is calling Oriche Fungon and Obemi. The God that opened my way. Oriche Wagbemi. The God that does not forget His own. Olaja Begberegbe is the everlasting King. Who can help me to talk about this God? The very important God calling Sizune Meheshibado, the God that can never make mistake. Is the God of judgment, is the God of set time. I wish I can describe this God. They just call him Tambara Fuai, Tambara Ekbeai, Tambara Zobotemewi. Is the God that never sleep nor slumber. Is the restoration that does not need restoration. The Calabas call him Obong me Obong, and the Karayane is song Abasim, Abasumwem, Abasum form, Edim Abasi, Utebe Abasi. Is the miracle that does not need miracle. Who can help me to talk about this God? The Robos call him Ofielivie, Ofieulili, Ofielibete, Ofielakona, Ofielufoma. Is the King of Kings, the King of wisdom, the King of truth, the King of humanity, the King of divinity. Who can help me to talk about this God? The Isokos call him Okenek Wilaya, the strength of Israel that can never lie. Okenek Yukekoho, the God that does not turn his back on his people. The God that searches the heart of men. The Jabba in Kaduna call him Nomsum Nomkio Op is the tireless God, is the weariness God, is the faithless God, is the stressless God. The Gombe call him Yam Kamdul Kamsana, Yam Bamkude is the God that is greater than the greatest, higher than the highest, mightier than the mightiest, stronger than the strongest. I wish I can describe this God. I go foreign and I call him in foreign languages. The Chinese call him Chen Tun Tun Chen. Is the God of war. Jinjinche is the God of gods. Jinjisoyotiche is the sovereign God. Uzodefa is the immortal warlord. The Hindus call him Raja Oke Raja, Omrike Raja, Maimake Raja, Savepom Raja is the God of all ages. Yet he has no age mate. The Norwegians call him Love no longer is the lion and the lamb. Elite bosom is the balm of Gilead. Sovereign Askish is the sovereign ruler. The Portuguese call him Keherusimebo is the fearless warrior. Mafia da eternity is the mafia of eternity. I wish I can describe this God. The Turkish call him Ansavikuzo. So Suzukianity is the oracle of eternity. Balatsis Abayoduze. The Japanese call him Futancha is the body bearer. Jidayo Choi Susukami is the timeless God. Miyena Eyu is the hero that never die. I wish I can describe this God. The Germans call him Chronic the Hide is the king of the Gentiles. Chronic the Charistic is the king of righteousness. Who can help me to talk about this God? The Italians call him Diosensi Roy. Is the king without error. Redevivia de Morte. Rede Misericordia is the king of mercy. Sinore de los Vete is the Lord of hosts. The Spanish call him Rentalon Immortalidad is the king of immortality. And Talon de los Soviacos is the lion of old. Dios da Entayor. The French call him Lodioki Solev Leson is the God that lifts up men. Dioki Nodojame is the God that never sleeps nor slumber. Dioki Comfort is the Lord my comforter. I wish I can describe this God. The Hebrews call him Elohim. Avram, Isaac, Yaakov is the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. I go back home and I call him in African languages. The Ghanaians call him Yame Kokroko, Kuntukunuku Yame, Kwanchilefo Yame, Tetebuta Yame, Dahini Yame is the immortal rock of ages. Who can help me to talk about this God? The Swahili's call him Nondo Wamilele, Ekimanondo, Almewa Oluma is the king of righteousness. The Shonas call him Mwari Wetariro is the hope to the hopeless. Mwari Asingafi, Shumbayahare is the God of old that never grows old. The Cameroonians call him Lupromia Elotemia is the first and the last. Soluke upon the Zontieba is the God that brings proud men low. Lagakin about you got to call. The God of us call him l'expression de la beauté is the expression of beauty. Expression de gloire is the expression of glory. Dieu de la deuxième chance is the God of second chance. Dieu sans fin is the God whose story are endless. I wish I can describe this God.